All of which we have gotten so far. So far, there are going to be the new tie-dye pets, probably for the new coats. There might be a new ancient block world. There will be a lot of new dogs. Like, look, those are all of the dogs, by the way, together. Gamer Shiba, some more tie-dye pets, a bluebird, a huge retriever who looks like LeBron James, a lot of tie-dye and stealth and bluebird and weird pets, and goat and normal, bubble dogs, all of the Dark Martin new dog pets, all of golden new pets, and all of normal dog pets, and bubble dogs. Dog World is extra official. Huge Pepper Dimension, a lot of new pets, 3D Titanics, a purple and a black balloon cat, a beans and a rainbow balloon cat, a huge basketball retriever, a beans balloon cat, a lot of new eggs, a tiny sad cat and tiny plushies, a tiny pink balloon cat who will be a UGC. All of the new huges, a rock dog, huge stuffed bobcat, probably a tiny cat, probably will be a free-to-play Titanic, a hot dog, huge kraken, all of the new huge pets, probably for the egg, a lot of new DLC codes. You could give boxes for some, a huge tech chest mimic, and a normal tech chest mimic, Horag, Titanic Nightmare Cat, all of the Titanic Nightmares, Dog Chest, probably every single thing that will be added as well. See ya!